Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious, clean and healthy cauliflower steaks. You first remove the leaves off of the bottom, and there probably is an easier way than what I did. And if so, and you know about it, please leave me a comment below. Now it is time to cut the Caulisteaks, and I cut mine from bottom to top. Might have worked out better if I actually cut from top to bottom. It was a little tricky for me, but I ended up working it out. The second and third cut were much better. Top to bottom is the way to go. Next time I do this, I think I will make the marinade in a bowl and actually dip the cauliflower in the marinade instead of doing it how I did in this video. I didn't oil the pan because the cauliflower is going to be oiled, so I didn't see the point, but I went ahead and spaced them out evenly. Now to a bowl you add olive oil, grated parmesan cheese, chopped onion, add a little bit of paprika, mix until well combined, and now you're going to want to coat the top and the bottom of the cauliflower. I used my hands just to make sure that everything was distributed evenly. Now I top them with salt and pepper. Bake them at 425 for 10 to 15 minutes each side. After I flipped them, I went ahead and coated the other side. I also added extra Parmesan cheese and more salt and pepper. Back in the oven for another 10 minutes. And then I topped them with mozzarella cheese and baked them another 5 minutes until that mozzarella cheese was nice and melty and absolutely delicious. Time to plate it up. I served mine with a salad that I had already made and was waiting for me in the refrigerator. And topped it with Primo Kitchen's Italian dressing. Let's see if it's love at first bite. I love the flavor, the texture. It's a winner. Thumbs up.